Hey guys, Gaming Physical here, back at you with another video. And today I'm doing a fidget spinner video. I have two of them. I have this one. It's like $5. Yeah, it was $5. Spins pretty nice, but it's loud. It's plastic. You got the solid pieces of metal coated in plastic. Got the bearing, basically, is what that was that I just showed you. That big black thing. And then I got this one. I bought it off Amazon. It was like $8. I didn't know it was gonna come with this case though. So we're gonna unzip it. There's one side. There's two sides to it. This one silent, but it sounds, you can hear the bearings scratching against each other in there. I can balance this one on my pinky. I can also balance this one on my nose. You ready for the pinky? Pinky balance. Okay, I'm gonna balance it on my nose. It's hard, but I can do it. I know I can. I can balance. I have one on my nose. I don't know if I can do it with this one. You ready? You gotta lay flat like this. Just stick your head up. Can you guys see my nose? Make sure you guys can see it. No? Okay. I'll do that in another video. I'll do that when I have a bigger space to record. And I'm gonna ask for a desk, and I'm gonna buy one so I can, and I'm also gonna buy a computer, 15 or something, and I'll put it right over there, and I'll do all my gaming stuff over there. But really, all I wanted to show you guys today was these fidget spinners that I got. And this one, right here, spins a lot nicer than this one. A lot more quiet. Let's see if I can spin them together. There you go, they are together. See if I can balance them together. Oh, nope. That didn't work right away. Okay. Bye, guys.